Back here on Steve's Mercury, got some of the brake parts in. We're still waiting on a few items. Got a nice, correct exhaust manifold hardware set from AMK. Beautiful. And look at this. There's the original gasket. There's the Felpro. Beautiful, beautiful recreation. Everything is where it's supposed to be. See what's cracking?
Well, not on the bolt.
Nice. Getting it together.
The inside of these threads are really gross.
Yeah.
I've been spraying it with a little bit of WD.
Nice. Coming together. New bolts, new gasket. New styling. Back in with our new hardware. All snugged up, purdied up, looking nice. Good job, Westy Wes. All right. Quiet, quiet. Let her get warm, burn all the penetrating oil and everything off. And then we'll put the shield back on over here. Just like new. Factory heat stove is back on. Wes got that nice gasket in there with the nice new bolts. The collector's all got fresh donut in it. Done. Onto the.
Make sure it doesn't run.
Yep. Fired up and onto the brakes.